What's going on, guys? It's your boy Chris from Day Traders Lifestyle TV here for another episode of Market Strip Down Saturdays. Like always, hit that like button, smash up subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Let's smash another week on the markets.
Don't tell me how you feel, so quiet laying next to me. The silence souvenir, letting you go, letting you go. Keep craving you the days that you don't want me, like searching for some heat inside a cold breeze. On and on forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I tried.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to episode 13 of Market Strip Down Saturdays. Like always, we're going to start off with gold on the daily time frame. What I see happening, based on my analysis last week being spot on as of Wednesday, I wasn't expecting. I was expecting a push down and then a push up. The push up I was expecting to be a little bit higher than it actually was, but what I'm expecting out of this week is quite possibly a push all the way down to the 1261, with a bounce from the 1261.1 up to the 1276 with a rejection from there back down to the 1261. If we do not get rejected at the 1276.7, we could come back up towards this trend line that I have here. Also, do not keep out that if we do pull back above this and we fail to push lower, we could in turn head up to, I would say, the 1318, which I believe was the high that I was calling from last week. This is obviously the least probable setup. I'm expecting a continued bearish push down. I think that is the strongest setup. I think it's a given. And I really don't see the bullish push up occurring. But let's head over to USDJPY and see what's going to happen over there. USDJPY, I'm expecting a push up to the 113.57 handle this week with a rejection, a push back down to the 112.93 to use it as a support, and a continued push back up once again to the 113.57. I do not see any other setups at the moment. If we do head bearish, obviously this trend line is going to become invalid, which this analysis will become invalid. So always keep that in mind if you are trading based off of these setups. Let's head over to EURUSD now. EURUSD, unlike the last two, which were on the daily time frame, is on the weekly time frame, just because there's been such a long consolidation now for weeks and weeks and weeks. We have been at this price range since October. End of October we've been here. So we really haven't gone anywhere too far on EURUSD. But with that being said, where I could see EURUSD heading is down to the 1.1053. I see price definitely breaking down and heading down there. If we do break above this trend line, which I have drawn, then obviously the analysis becomes invalid. And I think our first overall target would be the 115.48, sorry. The 1.1548 price handle. If we were to break above this trend line and continue bullish, that would be the first price point. But I am strong on this bearish setup to the 1.10529 setup. Let's head over to, last but not least, GBPJPY. GBPJPY, I am expecting a pretty solid push up to retest this area one more time at the 148.59 with a retracement back down to the 147.81. So about a, what is that, 80 pip push down more or less, if my math is correct. Yeah, that is correct. About like a 75 to 80 pip push back down with a bounce from there to possibly retest the 148.59. If we do not hold at the 147.81, we will come back down bearish. We could also possibly break the 148.59, so don't keep that setup out of the question, for us to create a new high here and head towards the Wait for it. 149.666. Don't count that setup out. Keep an eye on these charts. Use this to back up your analysis on these charts. Do not rely on it.
Thank you guys for joining me on another week of Market Strip Down Saturdays. I appreciate you, your time, your energy, and your patience with me. Hope this is informative to you. I hope this enables you to smash the markets with us this week. Kill it. I'll see you guys next week, all right? Peace!